back to Drones for Kids.
And today we'll be taking a look at the Mavic Mini Fly More Combo, the DIY Creative Kit, and the propeller holder. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so now that we've gotten that out of the way, as you can see here, we've got a little lanyard, and I believe you put this on yourself. So you'll take this side here, and you'll put this through, and then you'll put this whole thing through it, and that should tighten it up. Like this, like so. And then we'll put this on, and the drone will be around our neck. Okay. Sounds good?
Drone will be in here.
Okay, let's put that aside now. And my brother will do the unboxing of the DIY Creative Kit. So my brother just opened up the DIY Creative Kit, and he's just gonna talk a little bit about it.
Okay, so you can either put this amazing and graffiti.
Let me open it up for you.
Stamp, kind of.
Sticker.
Yeah, sticker, stamp, same thing.
So we're gonna open this up, and let's just move all the boxes to the side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is
Take it out. Ooh. Okay, so you've already got one pre-made for you, and that's a beautiful sticker. And then you've got two that are
just without color.
yeah, without color, so you can make it for yourself.
Black and white.
Yeah. And then you've got three that you can design completely by yourself. No need
Pretty good.
for DJI.
So
All you do is you color. You can
color and made your own, whatever you want. Dinosaurs, beaches, or anything you want.
yeah, any of your hobbies. And then also you've got 5 beautiful DJI markers in here. So let's open that up. Ooh, very nice.
Except for we don't. Oh, it's.
You've got orange. You've got another orange. You've got blue,
This is
yellow,
red.
and green. Okay, so you've got quite a few. And then we put that right here. And then the last thing on here is the user guide. So it's just telling you how to use it. That's it. Okay, so now let's get into the one we've all been waiting for. As you can see, this is the Mavic Mini Fly More Combo. It says the Everyday Fly Cam. It's the smallest portable drone that DJI has made for us, and it is 249 grams, ultra light. No, what are you doing? 30-minute max flight time, 4K HD video transmission, vision sensor plus GPS precision home return, 3-axis gimbal, 2.7K camera, which is pretty good in my what is going on in my opinion. And there's a simplified recording and editing. And that's all. And all you gotta do is download the DJI Fly app. I've showed you right here. It should appear. And let's get right. Okay, so let's jump right into it. First, let's take off the plastic. Might be ruining the box, but who cares? Let's rip this open. Oh, man, that is nice. Throw that away. Okay, now let's open this. Okay, where do we start? I believe, oh, there's tape here. Take that right off. Oh, nice. And let's open this. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Look at that. That is beautiful. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a case in there. It says DJI Mavic. We have the combo accessories. So let's open this up. This might just be a spacer. Ooh, actually no. It comes with propeller guards. Let's open this up. Oops. You got one side. And the other one. Put that aside. Okay, what else is in here? You've got some manuals. Ooh, I believe there's some batteries. Okay, this is the charger. It's very nice. Let's open this up. How does this go? Ooh, like this. I think it's like that. Wow, look at that. And it even says DJI. So put that aside. Then, ooh, this thing is heavy. I think I know what it is. Oh, I was right. Let's get this out. Whoa, it fell. Put that aside. We've got our 3 batteries. They're pretty heavy, but for 30 minutes of flight time, it's amazing what they can do. Put that all aside. Okay, now let's get to the main thing. Put that aside. That's just the manual. Let's open this up. Ready? Whoa. Okay, so here we've got the battery holder. It can tell you how much battery there is in your batteries, and it can plug your phone in so that it acts as a power bank. So let's put that aside. We've got a instructions manual. Actually, some cables. We got a cable here, cable, and then some sort of adapters. Actually, I think these are the joysticks. We've got the controller. Let's open that up. Be careful not to ruin it, because it's so beautiful. So, I believe you put your phone down here. Wow, that's gonna be fun. And then they even have the 2 joysticks over here. We'll do that a little later. Put that aside. And now, for the one we've been all waiting for. The Mavic Mini. Look how small it is.
A few moments later.
I believe you take these out first. Yes, that should be right. There we go. Look at that. Comes with a gimbal cover here. And then you've got a 3-axis gimbal. And then down here is the power button. You've got a charger like this. You can put in the batteries. And then we're gonna put that aside. We have got some sort of manual. Let's check it out. Oh, it's actually extra propellers. That comes with a lot. I highly recommend this Fly More. It comes with a lot of extra stuff you wouldn't have got in the normal one. So let's put this all together and see what we got. Boxes aside. We got a power bank. We got a super beautiful case. We have got this holder. Let's test that out right now. So I believe you gotta take this off here. So let's take that out. It's a little hard, so just be patient. And then what you do, I think we have to close this back up, so let's do that. Close this back up. Put that back here. So light, my God. You can't imagine how small this baby is. Okay. And then this should be the back of the drone. There we go. I believe it's like so. Then we put it in here. It's a little tight, but it's amazing how how this thing can fit. I'm not sure. Okay, I don't want to force it, but I think it's because we haven't taken off all the packaging. So yeah, that's what we got. As far as I can tell, DJI has the greatest unpackaging experience. We've got a lot of packaging, which hopefully we can recycle. And then we've got these beautiful products over here. And it is highly worth it. Look how much you get in the Fly More combo. From extra batteries, to beautiful case, to super nice propeller guards. There's no other drone that just looks this magnificent. And it even fits in the palm of your hand. Imagine where it went from. They used to have drones the size of airplanes, and now they're the size of your hand. Man, DJI, all I can say is good job. Thank you for watching, and we hope you liked our video.